Hi, today I'm going to make honeysuckle flowers. Very pretty and very easy to make. Materials required are crepe paper in green, white and dark pink, green floral tape, a thin wire, a thick wire, pink colored crayon, orange colored pen and some tissue paper. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the bud. This is 5.5 by 2.5. This is for the stamen. This is 5 by 0.75. Cut one piece per flower. This is for the flower. This is 8 by 1.75. And this is for the leaf. This is 7 by 3 centimeters. Cut a piece of thin wire. And this would be around 7.5 centimeters. Take a bit of tissue paper, just cut it in half. Fold it. Apply glue and just wind it on the wire, making slightly thick on the top first and then going down slowly. Like so. Now take the pink paper. First just stretch it. And just cut out the corners or give it a curved shape on the top. Apply glue. Like so. Take a little bit of the tape, floral tape, and wind it from the end of the bud. Like so. Then just curve the bud a bit. So just give it a curve like so. Take the piece for the stamen and make 5 cuts on it so you get 6 stamen. Like this. Now leave one and color the rest of them on top. The other side also. like so. Now I've cut a piece of thin wire, so this is about 11 centimeters long. Take the stamen, apply glue, wind it like this. And take some green tape. Wind it like this, so it will hold it firm. Now take the strip for the paper, for the flower, sorry. So first just cut one long strip, about 3 centimeters long, and then make 3 cuts, about 1.5 centimeter long each. Like this. Take the pink crayon and color the strip entirely on one side. And on the other side, just a little bit towards the end of the petals. Now just clip off the corner of each strip. Like so, and then curl it. And just apply glue on one side. Take the stamen, now this is loose, so first just curl the petals and position the stamen. To hold it securely, just wrap the tape over it, the base, till the end of the wire. Now just gently curl the sepals also. The stamen, sorry. So you get a flower like this. Take some tape And I've cut a piece of thin wire, so this is just slightly longer than the leaf, like so. When you place it like this in the center, and just wrap this tape on it. Apply glue. And stick this on it. So I've already made leaf like this. Now to assemble it all together, take a long piece of the floral tape. Stretch it. Take the thick wire. Now I'm just going to put all of these one by one on the wire. But they have to be very close to each other. Basically they originate at the same point on the plant. And now the flowers. So this single petal would hang downwards. These also will curve like so. So I'll curl them later. Just attach them first. And then just below the flowers, attach the leaves. They are opposite to each other. So attach one leaf and put the other one opposite to it there. Leave a little gap. Now just open out the leaves. And the flowers. And this is how the flower would look.